it's me, Hassel with WTI, and I'm about to take a shower. But before I do so, I wanted to share with you the soap that I'm currently using. I've got a pack of these Shea Butter Beauty Bars, which I am obsessed with. I think Dove has such great products, and this is not the exception at all. Like, this soap is so hydrating. I personally have very dry skin, and this rich soap is great, especially for those cold days. And this soap really makes my skin feel nourished, and it works well in the summer too. It cleanses my body well, and I love that. Actually, do keep my shower routine pretty simple, but with this soap, I feel like I have so many things in just one product, and that's why I really appreciate it. It lathers up nicely and feels silky smooth. Let me tell you guys that that is the main reason why I use this soap, and I highly recommend it. So if you have dry skin like me and you're looking to have silky smooth skin, well, you should try this one out, and I believe you're gonna like it, but that's just my point of view.